Crash Course on Mexican Cuisine. A deep dive into the world-renowned cuisine of Mexico, including regional specialties and popular dishes. Crash Course on Mexican Cuisine. Mexican cuisine is a tapestry of flavors, colors, and traditions that has captured the hearts and palates of people around the world. From spicy salsas to mouthwatering tacos, Mexico's culinary heritage is as diverse as its landscape. In this crash course, we will explore the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine, share captivating stories and examples, delve into the top 12 Mexican dishes, and conclude with a poem and a song that celebrate the flavors of Mexico. Tacos. Tacos are the undisputed stars of Mexican cuisine. These delicious handheld treats consist of a corn or flour tortilla filled with various ingredients such as grilled meat, seafood, beans, or vegetables. Topped with fresh salsa, guacamole, and a squeeze of lime, they embody the vibrant flavors of Mexico. Guacamole. No Mexican feast is complete without a bowl of guacamole. This creamy dip, made from mashed avocados, is enhanced with lime juice, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and a touch of chili for a zesty kick. It's the perfect accompaniment to tortilla chips or as a topping for tacos and quesadillas. Enchiladas. Enchiladas are a classic Mexican comfort food. Soft corn tortillas are filled with shredded meat, cheese, or beans, rolled up, and then smothered in a flavorful chili sauce. They are baked until the cheese melts and the flavors meld together, creating a dish that is rich and satisfying. Chiles rellenos. Chiles rellenos are a culinary masterpiece that showcases Mexico's love for bold flavors. Large poblano peppers are roasted, peeled, and stuffed with a filling, typically made from cheese, meat, or a combination of both. The stuffed peppers are then dipped in egg batter, fried until golden, and served with a savory tomato sauce. Pozole. Pozole is a hearty and soul-warming soup that has been enjoyed in Mexico for centuries. This traditional dish features tender hominy, dried corn kernels, simmered with meat, such as pork or chicken, and flavored with aromatic spices. Topped with fresh cabbage, radishes, onions, and a squeeze of lime, it's a celebration of flavor and texture. Tamales. Tamales are a labor of love and a cherished part of Mexican culinary heritage. Made from masa, corn dough, filled with various ingredients, such as shredded meat, cheese, or vegetables, tamales are wrapped in corn husks and steamed to perfection. They are enjoyed during festive occasions and holidays, bringing families together in the joy of tradition. Mole. Mole is a complex and luscious sauce that is the pride of Mexican cuisine. With a base of chili peppers, nuts, seeds, spices, and often a hint of chocolate, mole comes in a variety of styles, each with its own unique combination of flavors. It is typically served over chicken or turkey, creating a harmonious balance of heat, richness, and depth. Ceviche. Ceviche is a refreshing and vibrant dish that highlights Mexico's coastal influence. Fresh seafood, such as fish or shrimp, is marinated in lime juice, seasoned with onions, cilantro, and chilies, and served chilled. The citrusy marinade cooks the seafood, resulting in a tangy and invigorating flavor experience. Chiles en nogada. Chiles en nogada is a culinary masterpiece that embodies the colors of the Mexican flag. Poblano peppers are stuffed with a mixture of ground meat, fruits, nuts, and spices, then topped with a creamy walnut sauce and garnished with pomegranate seeds and parsley. This dish is traditionally served during the patriotic season around Mexican Independence Day, showcasing the artistry and symbolism of Mexican cuisine. Soaps. Soaps are a popular street food item that originates from central and southern Mexico. These thick, round corn masa patties are topped with refried beans, meat, such as shredded chicken or pork, cheese, lettuce, salsa, and sour cream. Soaps offer a delightful combination of textures and flavors in every bite. Chiles rellenos de queso. A vegetarian delight, chiles rellenos de queso are stuffed poblano peppers filled with a melting cheese, such as Oaxaca or panela. The peppers are coated in a light egg batter and fried until golden. Served with a tangy tomato sauce, these chiles rellenos are a satisfying and flavorful option for non-meat eaters. Tostadas. Tostadas are crispy corn tortillas topped with a variety of ingredients, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. Common toppings include refried beans, shredded meat, such as chicken or beef, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, cheese, and salsa. They are often served as an appetizer or a light meal. Summary: Mexican cuisine is a treasure trove of vibrant flavors, bold spices, and diverse regional specialties. From the humble street food stalls to the upscale restaurants, the culinary landscape of Mexico is a testament to its rich cultural heritage and culinary creativity. From the sizzling goodness of tacos to the intricate flavors of mole, each dish tells a story and invites you to embark on a gastronomic adventure. Mexican cuisine is a fusion of indigenous ingredients, Spanish influences, and regional variations that showcase the country's diverse culinary traditions. From the coastal regions with their fresh seafood ceviche to the Central Highlands with their hearty pozole, every bite is a celebration of Mexico's natural abundance and cultural diversity. And now, let's pay homage to the flavors and traditions of Mexico with a poem and a song. Poem: Flavors of Mexico. In the land of spices and vibrant hues, where culinary traditions fuse, flavors dance upon the tongue. A symphony of Mexico's songs. From sizzling meats on the open grill, to the zing of lime, a citrus thrill. Tacos, enchiladas, and soaps galore. Each bite a taste of Mexico's lore. Mole with its complex layers of delight. Chilies rellenos, a culinary sight. Pozole simmering, hearty and warm. Mexican cuisine, a culinary art form. From street vendors with their savory treats, to elegant restaurants with culinary feats. The spirit of Mexico, alive and strong. In each dish, a love letter, a lifelong song. Song: Flavors of Mexico. Verse 1. In Mexico's kitchen, the magic unfolds. A symphony of flavors, tales yet untold. From the streets to fine dining, it's clear to see. The heart of Mexico lies in its culinary. Chorus: Flavors of Mexico, a melody of spice. From the sizzle of tacos to the mole's precise. A fusion of cultures, a celebration of taste. In every bite, the spirit of Mexico embraced. Verse 2. Tortillas filled with love, from hand to hand. Guacamole, salsa, a fiesta unplanned. From Tijuana to Cancun, the coast to the Sierra. Mexican cuisine unites, a gastronomic era. Chorus: Flavors of Mexico, a melody of spice. From the sizzle of tacos to the mole's precise. A fusion of cultures, a celebration of taste. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Mexico has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Mexico, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Handheld Metaverse Team.